Today I'm going to be working on a 2021 Hyundai Veloster N.
The truth.
Alright, so today we're going to be putting this snorkel on the Veloster. So first thing we're going to have to do is take that front bumper off, and that way we can get access to where this thing's going to mount at. Alright, to take the front bumper off, there's going to be a couple of bolts in the wheel wells here. There's 4 bolts right along the top side here. And then there's a series of bolts and clips underneath. You have to take all those off to be able to get this front bumper off. Alright, once the front bumper's off, we're going to have to be removing this guy right here. It's held on by 4 bolts. There's 1 right down there, 2, 3, and 4 is right down there. And it's got 2 of these little screwdriver looking clips as well. There's 1 right there, and the other one is right there. So let's get all 6 of those off, and then this whole shroud should come right off. Alright, so as you guys saw, I had to use a 1/4 inch drive socket and a 10 mil to get in there behind the crash bar. It's pretty tight, so a regular 3/8 wasn't going to fit, at least none of the ones I had. But yeah, 1/4 inch drive does work. Alright, now that we get all the bolts out, we can go ahead and remove this shroud. Alright, so I do have a bunch of random bolts and nuts and stuff, but we did find that these ones, I don't know what size they are, but they fit perfectly. Where is it at? Right there, in these 2 holes. That's where we're going to be mounting the snorkel at. It's going to sit perfectly right in there. And I've noticed some other people's videos, they have this plastic piece that fits right on there. They take it off and then the snorkel goes on. This car does not have that, so we're just going to bolt straight into this, and then it's going to ram the air straight in and go straight to the air box. Now, as of right now, we're not able to put this shroud back on where it goes around the radiator. We might revisit it and kind of hit it with a Dremel just to kind of cut this area out to make it fit around the snorkel, but as of today, we're just going to leave it off and see how the car does. Now, we did get this one second hand, but I'll put a link to brand new ones, but it's super easy to mount this thing on the car. But now that it's on, let's start getting that bumper back on the car. So when you're putting the bumper back on and taking it off, just be careful of this latch area. You want to make sure it goes like up and over and underneath right here. But once you have the bumper on, let's go ahead and put all of our bolts and our clips back in and underneath as well. Alright, once you have the front bumper back on, you're all done. The installation of this really wasn't too hard. The only thing I don't like is leaving that radiator guard off. But like I said, we might cut it in the future and reinstall it. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get to them as soon as I can. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the artist's SoundCloud in the description below.